guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli. By seeing the title, you have already known that today we are going to talk about some Parasoft products. Now recently I have discovered this brand and I wanted to give this one a try by trying out some different products from their range. I have a lot of product that I am really interested to show you guys. I have given a fair amount of chance to all of these products and I have tasted this product for more than 2 weeks now. I have my very concise review of these products. So today we have 3 products with me. First product is the Parasoft Ultra Lotion. This is basically a body lotion. The second product is Parasoft Ultra-Hydrating and Protective Cream. And the third product is this Parasoft Foot Cream. So I'm going to talk about these products in today's video one by one. So if you're interested to know about my viewpoint about these products, then please continue watching. So the first product we have is this Parasoft Ultra Lotion. This is a daily use lotion with hibiscus extract for up to 72 hours skin hydration. This is of 100 ml packaging, which retails for 444 rupees, which is very interesting price point according to me. So the USP of this product is this is a daily lotion. It comprises with Rosella-hydrosella, which is basically hibiscus extract, shea butter, vitamin E, glycerin and almond oil. It gets easily absorbed deep into the skin, deeply nourishes and rejuvenates the skin, helps prevent and protect dry skin, hydrates the skin for up to 72 hours. This is a vegan compatible, naturally processed, eco-friendly ingredient, phthalates free, preservatives free, menthol free cooling, paraben free, mineral oil free and Cosmos certified as well. So I like to take a very ample amount of this product. I like to use it on my legs, on my body, on my hand, everywhere, and it easily spreads. It does not give you any tough time. It does not feel greasy on the skin, although it gives you the right amount of hydration as well. As it is a 72 hours skin hydration product, I just use it once. Sometimes I also use it twice when I really need to, like if I am just washing it off, then I reapply it. Otherwise I just use it once in a day and it just serves the purpose for throughout the day. The next product is this cream, and this is a very thick cream, you guys. I must tell you that in the beginning when I used it for the first time, I was like, wow, that's amazing. It has a right consistency. It does not feel greasy or oily on the skin, which I really like. I love the texture of this product in specific. It feels really rich and luxurious on the skin, and when you will scoop this product out, it also feels very rich in texture. Anyway, the USPs of this cream are it is infused with the goodness of high quality natural ingredients, shea butter, wild Rosella-hydrosella, vitamin E, glycerin, wildberry harvest, almond oil. It is packed with the goodness of 3 Australian super berries with strong antioxidant activities: pepperberries, rye berries and mantras. It has excellent hydrating properties. It nourishes and protects the skin. It maintains skin hydration and elasticity, leaving a healthy glow to the skin. Also incorporates antioxidants, menthol free cooling. This is mineral oil free, instant absorption and preservative free as well. Whenever you are using this, make sure that your surface is clean. After using face wash, you can apply this cream directly. It gives you the right amount of moisturization and hydration that you need. Last but not the least, we have the foot cream, and probably the best product that I have come across. This is a game changer, you guys. Probably this is one of the best foot cream that I have come across till date. No matter how much cracked feet you have, it's gonna heal those. Sometimes I do get very dry feet, and during winter time I got very dry feet because it was very colder climates and it was becoming very dry. So my lips, my feet were always dry no matter what. So that time I really tried it and I really enjoyed using it. It heals your cracked foot. How? I mean, I am just blown away by this product. Within 1 or 2 hours, you will see that your feet is becoming softer and it's becoming more smoother as well with time. I personally use it on my dry feet. They have also mentioned that apply daily on dry feet, gently massage into the skin, especially the heels, to achieve and maintain soft, supple, happy feet. So the USPs of this products are it has powerful antioxidant properties, reduces itching and irritations, it penetrates to speed up skin renewal, softens and soothes dry and cracked feet, relaxes tired and sore feet, it eliminates bad foot odor as well. If you deal with a bad odor on your feet, I know a lot of you do, even if you're not wearing sneakers or anything of tight shoes, sometimes might odor come through your feet. You can also use this product irrespective of having cracked heel or anything of that sort. Although this is summer, my cracked feet almost have disappeared sort of, but still I like to use this product just because it controls the odor, because my feet always sweats no matter what, so I get a lot of odor sometimes, so it controls that as well. So currently I'm also enjoying this product has a nice amount of shelf life for 24 months. Even if you are keeping it on the back of the shelf for a bit, it will stay good for a very long time. So yeah, I liked all of these products and I will highly recommend you guys to go for it if you're really willing to. I have a coupon code which is flashing on the screen right here. This coupon code is exclusively for you guys. I won't get any benefit from it. So you can use it, you can share it with your friends as well. If they want to purchase it, they can go ahead and purchase these. They are very affordable yet they works. And how? I'm really intrigued by these products and that's why I'm recommending you. I have tested these products out for a very long time before giving my full opinion about these products. If you're looking for something new, something different, if you got bored with the products that you have been using for a very long time, you can give these products a shot. And with that, we have come to an end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell icon right beside the subscribe button. It's free, you guys. Whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. I have put all the necessary links in the description box below along with my socials. In case you want to check me there, you can. Hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, take care, bye.